Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and then enter the settings. They should be in this upper panel. Now tap on the languages at the top, and as you can see, this is our currently added language. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've got the list of all available languages from which we can choose. You can scroll and search, or simply enter the name of the language. So let me do it, and after finding it, tap on it. Now we can choose the keyboard types. Sometimes you will have only one, sometimes even 7 or 10. It depends on a specific language. So simply mark the option and tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately applied. So now we can go back to the keyboard, and here we've got a hint of how to change the languages. So we have to use this globe icon. Simply tap on it, and you can switch the layouts. Moreover, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so it is quite useful, especially if you've got really similar keyboard layouts. So this is how it works. And now let me show you how to remove the language, so you have only one applied. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this list we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.